Hi everyone, I am Essex Dave. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm walking up Victoria Peak on one of the coldest days of the year in Hong Kong. This walking trail up the peak is one of the more popular walking trails in Hong Kong. It's quite an easy walk up, good for families, for dog walking, or just general exercise. A little bit of interest over here. This is one of the old boundary stones marking the edge of the old Victoria City. From here you can see many of the luxurious apartments and houses on Victoria Peak. So, although we call this a hiking trail, you can see it's paved all the way up to the top, because this used to be the only access to the people who used to live up on the peak 100 years ago. Down. And another little bit of old colonial relic or colonial history. This is the old Barker Road tram stop. So in the old days, when it was the only way up the peak, it used to stop here. Well, in fact, it still stops here. These are the stop request. I would guess this has some Victorian influences. My lucky day, got the tram. Get a very nice view. Victoria Harbour, Central Admiralty, all the way down to Wan Chai, Kowloon in the background. A bit hazy today, unfortunately. So here we go. The last part, the push for the summit, 300 meters above sea level. Almost there. If you want to go up there, it's going to cost money. but there is a free place where you can see almost exactly the same views just nearby. And here we are, Peak Tower. Over there on that corner there behind the palm tree is the free lookout area. And to find it you have to go inside this building, the Peak Galleria. Busy with tourists.
Group D. Where's the bus stop?
Here we are. We're up on the roof. The free viewing platform. Now, thankfully today, it's not too crowded. At a weekend, the view at the railings can be 3 or 4 deep. A bit hazy, but at least we don't have to fight to get a position. There's the Peak Tower. And if I pan up, you can see a few people on the edge there, paying for the privilege. You can come here and get this for free. Although everybody calls this the Peak, the actual top of Victoria Peak is up there with the radio masts. Here's a bit of a better look. Victoria Peak, High West, and then stretching out there, it's a bit hazy, you can't really see it very well. The South China Seas, you can see Chengjiao Island on the left and Lantau Island behind. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thanks so much for watching.